Okay, so one of the setups that we had in the trading room this week was in Intel. And one of the reasons why we're looking at it, or I think it's okay, is the fact that we're clearly above the 200 simple moving average. We're also above the 50. The overall pattern is a bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows. And you can see that there's some symmetry in the market. So by symmetry, I mean similarity or equality when comparing swings in the same direction. Okay, and that's usually how you want to enter the market, in the direction of the trend, maybe with a similar corrective pullback before a resumption of the rally. So there are two areas that have stood out because this trade setup has already triggered. And again, depending on the trading plan that you write up, your choices are to either define your risk underneath the zone, okay, that's typically what defines your max risk, or underneath the low that was made prior to your buy trigger. But bottom line, I do believe that we can see some higher prices in Intel as long as we hold above one of these two price cluster decisions. So either way, as long as we hold above one of these two areas, I'll take buy triggers and I will place my stop underneath the cluster as the extreme, or like I said, underneath the low that's made prior to the buy signal. And the general target that we would look for, well, if this low remained intact, our target would be 58.52 and then 59.69. But just know that if we do make a slightly lower low, then the target's going to be recalculated by running the extension from the lower low that's made, which will end up giving us an even higher target. So that's what I'm looking at in Intel. And again, I have to say that I'm wrong if we break both of these areas of support.